So I pulled the rear SAM unit out, and you get this little plastic box wrapped around the board. And it was kind of a little tricky getting it apart. And basically what you want to do, you've got all these little clips that go around the side of the board, as you can see here, here, and here. And basically, I'd push one in, kind of pry it with a knife, kind of down at this level here. Go to the next one, kind of pry it in, pop it up, and kind of take the knife and run it along the edge until I got all the way around the unit where I could pop it up. And so once I got it, to get it free, I released one of the boards. So the other trick was getting these clips undone. So basically you pinch these clips in and then push down on it and work your way, pushing each of these clips in across as you're pushing down, holding those pins up above the plastic as you're removing it. You'll get to the end and then you'll push through. And once you do that, you can just kind of pop your board off and expose your motherboard. So kind of pulled this out, and I don't know if you can see, but right in here I've got a bunch of corrosion. I'm going to see if I can clean that up. I've just gone to Home Depot and I've purchased some QD contact cleaner. I got some air. I'm going to use a little toothbrush to kind of clean that board and just kind of see if I can just clean up those contacts, and then I'll go back to the contacts in the car, clean up the contacts for the clips. You can see there's some corrosion in there, and that could be kind of causing my problem. Hopefully that will clean up and I'll have no issues. Otherwise, I'm looking at replacing this board.